All right. Hey guys, Echo here once again. Okay, so welcome back to another case study for the week. In today's video, we'll be talking about, or we'll be analyzing Euro JPY. So Euro JPY, what are we expecting to see, or what am I expecting to see? What's the market saying, right? So I would say we're bullish in this pair, Euro JPY. Yes. So now, if you look at it, before we go in depth into it, because if you look at it, you see price already gave us a bullish sign, which is low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, right? Higher high, higher low. We're looking forward to see another higher high, right? And if you also draw your if you draw it, you see price is actually moving in an ascending channel, right? An ascending channel. Where's my parallel to where is my parallel to where is it? Am I finding it a little bit difficult to see it? It should be somewhere around here. My parallel to where are you? Why is it difficult? Why is it difficult? I don't know, but it's a little bit difficult to find. How come I'm just running around this parallel to? Wow, why can't I find it? Okay, take it easy, Echo. Take it easy. Can you really believe that this is parallel to? I've just been crossing it. Okay, you can see that price has actually been moving in an ascending channel. You can see. Now, I talked about channel in one of my videos, but if you've not seen the video, just it's here on YouTube. Just search for it on my channel and just watch it so you know what I talked about, how channels work and all. So yeah, Euro JPY. Now we've seen that the market is showing us a bullish move, right? And we're expecting to see more higher highs. Now, what's it saying? Okay, we can see that, okay, fine, from this angle, I like to analyze this pair. I like to analyze any pair from the higher time frame, either monthly, weekly. From the higher time frame, then I scale it down to my entry. So let's start with the whole weekly. The weekly time frame, right? We've seen that, okay, price already gave us this as a weekly low. I'm not going too in depth into it, so this video doesn't get bulky and boring. So we've seen that this is a weekly low, all right? And let's look. And we see, okay, we've seen that, okay, this is a supply zone, right? Let's target a supply zone, weekly supply zone maybe. So we'll do weekly supply zone, right? We'll target as weekly supply zone. So and we've seen that price is approaching this weekly supply zone, supply zone rather, but has not yet activated it or tapped into it, right? So now what are we expecting, right? What are we expecting? How do we attack this new week, this coming week? So let's go down to the daily time frame so we'll see things even more clear, right? On a smaller scale. Now, if you still draw your trend line, you can still see it's still bullish. It is still bullish. If you draw a trend line from here, you can still see there's still opportunity for price to still come back down. If you draw your trend line from here, you see that price, there's still opportunity for price to come back here. So how do we attack this? How do we trade this next week or this coming week, right? How do we trade this coming week? So I would say this is what I would say. Okay, this on the daily right now. Now we can see that, okay, price already gave us a daily low here. Remember I said I'm not making this video bulky. You see that price gave us a daily low here. This is the daily low, right? I'm not trying to make this video bulky and boring. So now we'll tag this as the daily low. right? So what do we want? What are we expecting to see this new week? Now, here comes the magic, right? Here comes the big magic. Here comes the big magic, actually. Here comes the big magic. Okay, so personally, I want to see price. Right? I want to see price come back down to anywhere around let's say, let's go down to the 15 minutes or 4 hours. Let's go down to the 4 hours, so we'll see things even more clear. Now, we'll see that we've seen that, okay, at this point, there is a fair value gap, right? There's a fair value gap around here, which there's a fair value gap around here, which let me indicate it as fair value gap, right? Fair value gap. PG, okay? There's a fair value gap around here that obviously price needs to break. Good. But most people will call this a resistance point, which is still not bad. Trust me, it's still not bad, right? So at this point, if price is still shrinking and rejecting to break above here, so there's tendencies that we might go down for a bit, right? We might go down for a bit, come back down for a bit, and now buy, right? Okay. I'm sorry, I'm having network issues. I don't know why, but let's just see. Okay, let's just see. Okay, like I was saying at this point, so the 4 hour time frame, that's what we're analyzing, right? So we might come back down for a bit, right? At this point, we might come back down for a bit and just come back down and let's see, somewhere around here, come back down to somewhere around here, then go up back. Okay, right? Come back down, and yeah, from here, I decide to shoot back up. Sorry, shoot back up, right? Yeah. So this is what we might be expecting to see now this week. So mind you, this thing won't just play out just at once or shoot down and shoot back up. No, it doesn't work that way, right? It doesn't work down that way. So right now I want to see a little decline. Let's go down to the 1 hour so we can see how to opportunity and how to jump on it, right? So if we also look at this point, we'd see that, okay, price obviously gave us a break of structure here. I'm not trying to make this video bulky, like I said. So please, you guys should exercise patience and just follow me carefully. Price give us a break of structure here. I just like to see my charts clean. So this can be anywhere, but so long it breaks structure, just put it at a strategic point. Or I just like to see my charts clean. That's why it's like I'm measuring it. So price give us a break of structure here. And so after price has broken this point, right? This area, right? Okay, let me use this area. Right? Yeah, price has broken this area. We've not seen a major uh a major retest to this area. And now all the people that has been or that have been buying from this point, right? Most of them those that swung this trade, they've actually kept their stop losses at break even. Most people took partial, moved their stop loss at break even. Those that were buying at this point, moved their stop loss to break even. Same way, same way, same way. So we have a lot of stops around here that we need to take out. So now what we'll be looking to see is a sell to this point, then a buy, right? So I'm not going too in-depth into this. Not going in depth into this. I just want to give you guys more an insight so you guys will know what to expect. So anywhere around this place is fine. I want to trade anywhere around here, right? 612 165 612 612 165. I like that's the point. Now I'm not going to use this kind of stop loss if I'm not swinging this trade. So since I'm not swinging this trade, normally I like using at least 20 pip stop loss, at least maximum of 20 to 30 pip stop loss. 30 pip stop loss is, I rarely use it. So let's use 20 pip stop loss at this point, right? Or I'm not trading this right now. So I'm just saying anywhere around this. This is not a signal, but I'm just putting a forecast. This is a forecast actually. So anywhere around here, this is already 1:3. So if you're targeting this point back, this is 1:9, which is not bad. So if you're targeting it the whole of this week, if you want to trade this the whole of this week, anywhere around here, still not bad. If you ask me, that's 1:18. Now we don't just project things like that, right? We are more realistic on this channel. I try to be more realistic here, and that's why I tell you guys, I show you guys things that are possible, not something that I feel. You get, this is not about my feeling right now. It's about what we are seeing, what I'm forecasting. So on this guy, I'm expecting to see price rally back down into this point, more like a break and retest, right? My students, I always, one of the things I've taught them is change of polarity. So this is what just happened here. We've broken it, break and retest. We've broken at this point. So we need to retest here, then continue. Simple, 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 right? So we're not doing anything much right now. We're not doing anything much right now. So this is for Euro JPY, right? Euro JPY. I'm just saying a break, a retest, then continuation. That easy. A break, like I said, a retest, then continuation. Nothing too dramatic, you get. So what other pair should we be looking at? What other pair should we be looking at? What other pair should we be looking at? What other pair? GBP card, right? GBP card, GBP card, GBP card. Right. So, or should we go with, let's go with USD, GBP card. Let's go with GBP card. No problem. GBP card, right? So GBP card, this is what, okay. GBP card now, this is what I'm expecting to see this guy do, right? Let's see what the market is saying. 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 So right now, GBP card, I need to take out these things. I like to see my charts very clean, very clean. I like to have a very clean chart, right? I like to have, just give me a clean chart. We're done with this already. So, okay. I need to see my clean charts, very clean. So we were not doing anything much. So now, okay. Okay. I don't know why I'm having issues with my card making payments to pay for TradingView. My TradingView just expired, and my subscription on my TradingView just expired, and I've been having issues with paying for it. I don't know. Please, if you're watching this video and you have suggestions, please help me put it in the comment section, please. It's really important to me because I just hate when I'm doing things and this advert here just pops up, or I can't even backtest or replay and all those things. So yeah, back to the video, guys. So GBP card, clean chart, sweet guy, right? Clean chart, sweet guy. So okay. What am I expecting to see on this guy? Okay, on this guy, on this GBP card, we've seen, okay, at some point we consolidated around here, right? GBP card, we consolidated around this point, and we came back up to this resistance. I'm sorry, this, yeah, a resistance point or supply zone, whichever you're comfortable calling it. Do not get carried away with whatever all those Forex influencers or gurus, so-called gurus, just want to give it names, for whichever you're comfortable calling it is fine. It could be supply, it could be a resistance, whatever. But back to what I was saying, right? So price are actually consolidated around here, came back down, got to this point, which rejected. So what are we expecting to see? Okay. In all honesty, I still want to see more bullish leg because price has given us this, has given us a break of structure, right? Very simple. Break of structure. Let me take out this guy here. So price gave us a break of structure. You need to see my charts very clean. All right. Price gave us a break of structure, a change of, I'll call this a change of character, right? I'll put this here because of the liquidity sweep. So I was analyzing this that the day this whole thing just happened. So take it down a little bit. Okay, cool. So we'll call this here. Let me just call here change of character because one, if you've not watched my video about the difference between the change of a break of structure and change of character, what you guys call chalk, right? Or choke, whatever you call it, it's fine. You have a video talking about change of character, the difference between change of character and break of structure. You can check my YouTube channel and my YouTube videos to do and just watch it, just take advantage of it. So we've had a break of structure, right? We came back up, change of character. Now, just a quick recap. I just felt the need to just show you guys a quick example of what I mean by a change of character. So now we've been bearish. Now, change of character, we've gone from bearish to bullish, right? So this whole thing that just happened here from bearish, change character to bullish is a change of character, rather. Change direction to bullish is a change of character. So we swept out liquidity here. We came back down here and also took out liquidity, right? That is fine. And right now, what am I expecting to see? I want to see little, let's see the candlesticks first. Let me just incorporate little candlestick patterns. Yeah. Yeah. So I want to see something like this. I want to see a candlestick come. Like I want to just see little bearish candlestick for a bit, right? Come back down for a bit and okay. So why is this thing not okay? You guys, I want to see a decline rather, right? I want to see a decline. We've been bullish for a long time. We've also do the same thing here. We'll see that okay, price give us a break of structure, which is up, down, up, down. It's just been going like that, right? So we've just been going up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So let's go to the 4 hours time frame. So we'll see things even more clear. I could see a change of character here. Now remember I said from bullish markets changed character when bearish. So this is a change of character. So now what am I expecting here? I've seen that, okay, oh God, here it comes again, okay. This is the worst, okay. How do I, please, if you really know how to help me fix this whole card thing, whatever, I don't know, but I've tried a lot of dollar cards and even my Nigerian card is not working. But yeah, back to what I was saying. This can't stop my shine. It can't stop our lecture, right? So this guy has actually been giving us a bullish leg, right? Has been giving us a bullish leg. So, sorry, okay, can I take this for a bit? It's too big. So now this guy has been giving us lower, higher low, higher high, 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 higher low, right? Now, you can see these two patterns look alike, same thing, these patterns look alike, same thing, like that. So now if this guy has been giving us this kind of patterns, see, more like breakdown goes back up here. So now what am I expecting to see? I want to see this price, this guy. Oh God, where's my mouse? Okay. So okay, on the 4 hours time, oh, Okay. I thought it froze. So on the 4 hour time frame, we've been saying that this guy has just been giving us this kind of leg. Yeah, it's at the critical zone right now. Trust me, this zone doesn't look like something that can hold. This zone doesn't look like a zone that can hold price. Yes, we want spike to the upside, we're good. Well, in fact, that place has just been wiped out. So this guy can't really hold price. So uh tendencies of price just pushing up is very high, actually. It's very high. Tendencies of price pushing up. So if we look at it also, if we draw a trend line, you remember I said from the weeks, I don't mind. Right? So from the weeks, our trend line, from the weeks, I just want to see the weeks, right? From the weeks. I want to see this guy from the weeks. So actually, this is an interesting zone for me. It's an interesting zone for me. I want to see price still rally back down very well. So most likely we might do something like this. After this, we might just go up, super this guy's liquidity, come back down, right? Then continue and just continue. Let me take off this. Let me take this out, right? So now we've gotten this. So I want to see now. I want to see this guy here, right? I want to see this guy. I want to see how price reacts around here. For those people that trade this kind of pattern, right? I want to see price come into this point, and yeah, let's see what happens, right? Let's see what happens. Actually, let's see what happens. So no big deal, no stress. Just here. I want to see price. Take out this guy, go up, take it out, and come back down. And yeah, we're bullish on GBP card, Euro JPY, we're bullish. GBP card, we're bullish, right? So what other pair should we look at right now? USD CHF, right? So let's see USD CHF. Did I mention USD CHF before? I don't think so. So USD CHF. Okay, as usual, go back down. You guys see how I'm simultaneously going from this pair to the other pair, from the higher time frame down to the lower time frame. USD CHF, right? In all honesty, I am saying I was bullish on this guy one time like that, right? From here, we bought at this point. When we came back down here, we bought and I said, okay, let's start selling, right? So reason I said let's start selling, let me give this example. Let me just say it out here right now. So when I was bullish, while I was bullish rather, at this point, price was around here, right? Price was around here. This obviously was now giving me an inverse head and shoulder. This is the left shoulder, neckline, head, right? And another in right neck. So at this point, we're here, right? I saw how price started going back up. So I was like, okay, since we're going back up, I just want to see price. Since we've gotten to this point, I saw how price was already going. I said, okay, we're bullish. So I just took the opportunity. When we got to this point, we took profit because I saw how price reacted around here. I took profit. Let me take it down to the 1 hour so we'll see things even more clear, right? So I and my members, my mentees also, we took profit around it because I sent this video to them first. When at this point, I told them, okay, I'm expecting price to start buying. So price bought to this point, yes, I can remember vividly. Price bought to this point. We missed this trade, I just remember, because I sent it out on the free channel. Then when price got to this point, we waited for it to come here. I said, okay, let's take advantage. Since I was already anticipating a head and shoulder, right? So it also gave me the same pattern here. If you check it very well, head, right? Give me similar pattern. So at this point, yeah, this was the point. I said, okay, Since I missed this move from the higher time frame and all, I don't need to miss this move. So we started buying. Then we took profit around here because I had to draw my trend line. I saw that, okay, price failed to break this region. Price got to this 4-hour supply zone and failed to break it. I said, okay, I was concerned. After we took partials around here, I said, okay, guys, get ready, get ready, get ready. So I saw how price was refusing to break this point, this region, break this supply zone and this region as a whole. I said, okay, let's take our profit already. We took our profit somewhere around here. So on my VIP, we took our profit here. Sorry, guys. So now this was why I started. Why I got skeptical, because one, price got to this point, refused to break it, got to this point, refused to break it. Meaning this place is now gave us a change of character here, which I didn't spot out quick. Now you see the downside. I didn't spot it out quickly because I don't trade just one pair, so I was almost everywhere. So I forgot about this pair after I took profit here. So price gave us a change of character here, right? And came back up, like after I gave us a change of character, retraced, came back, and I didn't pay attention to it, right? I didn't pay attention to it. And if you even check this thing properly, you see how this, you see that this point, price actually failed to break here. And there was a fair value gap around here, right? There was a fair value gap around here. So price broke it and came back down, took out liquidity around there. I'm just spotting this out in all honesty, right? I won't tell you what I didn't see or what I didn't do. So price gave us a high, a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, right? Came back here, giving us another, more like a relative equal high, right? A relative equal high. Now, guys, I can't really go in depth into all these things, right? But this is what I teach my mentees. Actually, I teach this in my mentorship, and I just teach them how to see the market just for what it is. So if you're interested in joining my mentorship program, feel free to send me a DM on Instagram at _Prince Echo 2, like Prince _Echo 2, Prince _Echo 2 on Instagram. Then on Twitter is Prince Echo 2, just Prince Echo 2 all together. So I'll take it again. On Instagram, Prince _Echo 2, right? And on Twitter, Prince Echo 2. Feel free to send me a DM. I'll reply your messages as it should be. And if you feel you can't afford to pay for the mentorship, or you don't, it's not in your budget, that's still fine. I still have my free Telegram channel, which you can join and actually milk this market alongside with us. The goal for me is just to have a community of profitable traders, and let's just keep winning together. No competition, just love, progress, and let's win together, right? So back to what I was saying, guys. So when we got to this point, right, it could give us relative equal. We came back here, came back. Now we've had a high, low, right? High, low, high, low, high, low. Now, what should we expect? I'll need to take out this guy, 1. I need to take off this guy, 2, take off this guy, 3, take off this also. Maybe I'm going to take off this guy too. So I want to see things clearly, right? So even if we go to the higher time frame, we'd see these things even, yeah, it's a little bit choppy, right? So right now, on the higher time frame, you've seen price just got to this point, and yeah, overall, we've just been there after price took out liquidity here. And so let's go back. What am I expecting? How do I want to approach this market? How do I want to approach the market, right? So, telling you guys that I want to see this price, I want to see price actually do something like this would be drama. Would be real drama to see price go back up here, compose really to tap into this guy and move down. I'll be a joker, in fact, right? So now, I'm sorry, I'm not trying to downplay people's strategy. No, every strategy, like I always say, works. So long you've understood yourself and your personality, it's in line with your personality, feel free trade it. You must not trade the edge strategy, which is my strategy. You must not trade SMC or whatever. You must not trade ICT or whatever, right? If you are comfortable trading trend line, feel free to do it. I need to take off these guys because it's a little bit, my chart is a little bit messy. So let me take off this guy too. So for those people trading trend line, right, you see this is, they said the third touch of the trend is the strongest. So now I doubt if price is going to come back down to this point, come up to this point. So those trading, it will say first touch, second touch. Now they're expecting the third touch. Bro, how many days or how many weeks are we going to stay before we feed from this market, right? Before price comes back down to comes up to this point, man. So let's do, like I said, let's do what's realistic. Let's talk about what's realistic right now, right? So now I'm not expecting price to come back up here. No, that's going to be a big stretch. It's going to be a very big stretch for price to do that, right? A very big stretch, trust me, very, very big stretch. I'm not even capping. So for it, since we've known that this is going to be a big stretch for the markets to come up into, so what do we do right now, right? So let's analyze. Let's take it down to, let's say, the 30 minutes here. Let's do the 30 minutes. So now on this point, we'd see, okay, fine. What's price saying? Price has given us something like an equal here, right? One relative equal, right? So it's up. You guys see how I'm taking my time to analyze, to pick out every spot, right? We're not leaving any stone unturned, right? So we've spotted out an equal. Now, mind you, we're bearish. So it's more easier if we're saying, okay, since we're bearish on the higher time frame, we're bearish on the lower time frame. So let's just jump on it. There's opportunity for us. Now, the best thing I would expect the market to do in this case right now is to buy, short-term buy, probably to round this region, right? And continue selling. So at this point, yeah, for me, I'll want us to take it step by step, step by step, right? So step by step, no pressure, step by step, right? Okay, now I want to see this guy. This guy, I'm interested in this region, right? I want to go back to the 1 hour so I'll see things even more clear, right? So I spotted out this guy here, which there's an imbalance around. Sorry, there's a fair value gap around here, which I expect price to come back into, right? So I want to see something like this. I want to see price just give us something like this, right? Right? Or maybe come back here and sweep down. Yeah. So if I'm to take, sorry guys, where's my water? So if I'm to take any trade right now, I'll wait for the market to open first, or before the market opens, I want to probably be waiting for the market anywhere around here. Yeah. Right. Or even anywhere around here. Let's say 6, let's say anywhere around, is that 8 8? Okay, 8 8, 8 8 6 6. It's not bad, right? 8 8 6 6. It's not bad if you ask me. Then where would your stop loss be, depending on the kind of trader you are? For as usual, I don't like taking anything above 20 pips. So I can get even a 5 pips stop loss here, right? I can get a 5 pips stop loss. I'm cool. You get. But now, like I said, if you don't need to trade my strategy, right? If it doesn't fit into your personality. So, or do what works for you. My duty here is just to show you what I am expecting and show you how to read the market at institutional level and become better versions of yourself. That's just it. I'm not here to promote my strategy to you. I'm not here to just promote. No, I am here to see. My goal remains to see profitable traders in this industry, right? So now this is what I'm expecting. I want to see price come anywhere into this place and start selling. This is a 20 pip stop loss, which is realistic if you ask me. So if you put a 1% on the 20 pip stop loss, now depending on how much account you're trading, right? So I feel USD CHF, I'm bearish on this guy. Short-term buy for my scalpers, right? And long-term sell. So I guess this should be all for today or for now. So the rest of the things I'll just probably pass it out to my mentees and my students so they also consume. For the love I have for you guys, I'm putting this out there all for free so you guys and everybody wins. As you already know, Echo is active. Feel free to like this video, please. So YouTube will recommend it to a lot of people. Share, comment. It really goes a long way. Share, comment, subscribe to this channel, please, guys. And feel free also to join my Telegram channel. So we'll grow the community. We're here to take over, guys. We're here to take over. So you already know, once more, Echo is active. See you guys later. Peace.